afternoon, everybody. So, hi, I'm Dr. Jasmeet Kaur Wadhwa, and I'm running the Center of Asthma, Allergy, TB, Chest and Child Center, which is situated at Chanakpuri A5B block. So, viewers, I'll be telling you about a proper technique of taking a spacer, because many people come to us and tell us how we have to take the spacers and puff. So first, a general brief about these spacers. There are two types of spacers in the market of two different companies, but any spacers can be taken, no big problems. This is a Transpacer V and this is a Zerostat VT. Most important, how to the medicine should go properly in the lungs, which is very important. So if we see the lung picture like this is a big magnified view of the bronchioles or the air tracts in our body, in our lung. So these the medicine should reach these part of the lung or the bronchi, so that your effect comes the best. So this way the puff should always be taken via the spacers. And why these spacers? Generally, if you take the medicine via these spacers, they from the mouth they go directly into your lungs and to the bronchi, and the effect is very good. There is no side effect or no habit of taking such spacers. If you put this directly into your mouth and take it, most of the medicines is in the mouth itself, and this is not very effective. The spacers should be taken properly. We will demonstrate you how to take a spacer properly, and these spacers can only be washed after 15 or 20 days with the normal running water, or sometimes you can take a lukewarm water and some soap solution, dip it in the night and after the use, and then wash it and then just air dry it and keep it overnight, and then you can use it again. It should not be washed daily, it should not be boiled, it should not be sterilized, it should be just washed after 15 or 20 days and use your own spacer. So now I will tell you the correct technique of taking a spacer. We'll tell you how to take a correct technique of a spacer. Take a spacer, take a puff, MDI puff. First, shake the puff properly. Every time you have to shake the puff properly. Put it in the spacer. Now put the spacer in the mouth. Lip seal the whole area. There should not be any leak. And sit straight. Put the spacer in the upright position. Now push the canister and inhale. Good. Inhale and hold for 3 to 6 seconds. And after inhaling and holding, then you release from your nose or from the mouth, but don't take out the spacer from your mouth. Again, take a deep breath. Good. With one puff, you have to take 2 or 3 good deep breaths. Hold every time for 6 seconds and then release from the mouth. Yes. Again, take a deep breath. Good. 6 seconds, hold, and then take it out from the release and take it out from the mouth. Now for the second dose, you have to wait for 30 seconds or 1 minute. Take out the puff, shake it again. Every time you have to shake the puff, because it has air in it, the medicine will not go in if you not shake the puff. Again, repeat the same procedure. Put this in your mouth, sit straight, push the canister, inhale, hold and release. Again inhale, don't push it again, but only inhale. Hold and release. The chest should be high up. Again inhale, third inhale and hold and release. This is the way the 2 doses should be taken. Do not every time just, you have to shake every time. Okay, you can keep the spacer, and I've already talked to you about the washing. The washing has to be done after every 10 to 15 days and in the night after you have taken the dose, and it should not be boiled, it should not be cleaned from inside. And it should, every time you should bring your spacer and the puff to see the technique. Thank you very much.